Have you ever thought about what could happen if you mix eggs with Vaseline? It might sound strange at first, but this old-fashioned secret has been known for generations in several parts of Asia. Stay with me until the end of this video, and I will take you step by step through this fascinating method while revealing why it is so effective. You will see that some of the best home tricks come from traditions that stood the test of time. To begin, prepare 2 small jars. Yes, exactly 2, and as we go along you will see why both are important. Crack 1 fresh egg into the first jar. With the help of a plastic bottle or a similar object, gently separate the yolk from the egg white. For this recipe, the yolk will be the star of the show, though you should not throw away the white because we will use it shortly. In the comments tell us which city you are watching from. It is always fun to see where everyone is joining from. Now take 1 tablespoon of the egg white and return it to the jar with the yolk. This small step helps achieve the ideal texture for the preparation. It is now time to add the key ingredient, Vaseline. Put in 1 teaspoon and stir slowly until the ingredients start to combine. You might be wondering why we are doing this, but stay with me. The reason will become very clear soon. If you know someone who loves home tips or natural recipes, send them this video so they can learn too. To boost the power of the mixture, take a fresh lime, cut it in half, and squeeze out about 1 tablespoon of juice. Carefully add it to the jar, being sure not to exceed the quantity. The ratio of ingredients is important for balance. Mix thoroughly until the egg yolk and lime juice merge smoothly with the Vaseline, creating a creamy and even paste. If you are planning to do it yourself, type yes in the comments and get ready for a pleasant surprise. By now you're probably asking what this special blend is used for. The answer goes back over 100 years. In many Asian homes, this recipe has been used as a natural beauty treatment, perfect for rejuvenating and moisturizing the skin. It can be applied as a face mask or on dry areas such as hands, heels, and elbows. Give this simple remedy a score from 0 to 10. I am curious to know what you think of such home tricks. Here is how to use it properly. Apply the paste evenly over the desired area and massage gently so that it absorbs well. To intensify its benefits, wrap the treated area with plastic film and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. This step locks in the moisture and allows the mixture to perform at its best. Did you already know this home tip, or is it completely new to you? Type wow in the comments if you find it surprising. After the time passes, remove the plastic wrap and wipe off any excess with a soft cloth or tissue. You will notice an immediate difference. Your skin becomes smoother, softer, and deeply hydrated. It looks fresher and more youthful even after just 1 application. The effect is remarkable, which explains why this technique has been cherished for generations. Try it for yourself and tell us in the comments how it worked for you. Remember to like the video, share it with your friends, and follow for more do-it-yourself ideas and home tips that truly make a difference.